Even after 12 or 16 years of studying, if you're still not capable of earning money, it's time to do something different. Today, I'm going to share some powerful skills with you. If you don't start earning within just 3 months of applying even one of these, you're free to call my channel fake. This is an open challenge. The only condition: for the next 3 months, disappear from distractions. Dedicate yourself to real, valuable work. I'll share 12 different tasks. Pick any one and start. I'll also guide you on how to begin. These are skills that are not only trending today, but will be in high demand in the future. So take notes carefully and decide for yourself. 1. Digital marketing. What is digital marketing? It's the skill of promoting anything online, whether it's a company, a house, a product, or even something as simple as milk or yogurt. Every business needs digital marketing today. You see ads on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. This is all digital marketing. If someone in your neighborhood is selling yogurt and you're helping him make an extra 3 lakhs through digital marketing, even if he pays you 1 lakh, you're still both winning. With this skill, you can target specific audiences. Even while sitting in any country, you can run ad campaigns in the USA or Canada. This skill can make you rich. 2. Online courses platforms like Coursera or Udemy let you upload your own courses and earn in dollars. You might wonder, what if you're not an expert in anything? The truth is, you can find free course material on YouTube and recreate it in your own voice with screen recordings. There's massive demand for courses in English, Spanish, Hindi, and Urdu, and very little competition. 3. Consultation services. Just like I'm creating content here, you can do the same. If you don't want to show your face or use your voice, that's okay. AI tools now let you automate everything. Search YouTube automation on YouTube for a free full course. You can make educational, tech, or storytelling content, even conduct interviews or do food reviews without showing your face. 4. Cryptocurrency. Crypto isn't a scam, but lack of education makes people lose money. Learn first. Don't just rely on signals from others. Take a free course on Binance or search Binance Trading on YouTube. It teaches you everything you need to know. Many people are already earning from this. 5. Affiliate marketing. This is simple. Promote a product using your unique link. If someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. It's honest money. Amazon, AliExpress, and other big e-commerce sites offer affiliate programs. You don't even have to be a content creator. Use digital marketing or blogging to promote affiliate products. 6. Video editing. Editing is one of the hottest and most in-demand skills today. Every content creator needs an editor. Start with shorts or YouTube videos. Initially, edit your own content. Later, you'll get hired as an editor. There's huge demand on all social platforms. 7. E-commerce. Sell anything online. For example, if I buy a product for $200 and sell it for $300 through my store and social media pages, that's profit. Focus on local e-commerce before jumping into Amazon. Many institutes just want your money, don't even teach practical freelancing skills. Your local market is your real opportunity. 8. AI-generated shorts. Shorts made with AI are blowing up. You can create educational or entertaining content using AI tools. No copyright issues, no music problems. History, facts, maps. You name it. This content grows fast and is easy to produce. 9. AI bots. Everyone teaches how to use AI, but no one teaches how to build it. Learn how to create your own AI tools. Watch videos like Create AI to get started. AI apps and sell them. It's a gold mine, and hardly anyone is doing this. 10. Print-on-demand design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Upload them to websites like Amazon or Teespring and earn when they sell. You don't need to own a factory, store inventory, or handle shipping. Just design and earn. 11. Google profiles and website creation. Every business in USA or Canada has a Google profile and a website, even barbers and grocery stores. Help your local businesses get listed on Google and create their websites. It takes just 15 to 20 minutes, and you can charge a good amount for this service. 12. Blockchain development. One of the highest paying skills globally. But we're still stuck learning outdated languages in universities. Blockchain development powers cryptocurrencies, tokens, and Web3 projects. If you can get into a course, finance-backed programs, do it. This field has massive future potential. If you try any of these for 3 months straight without skipping a single day and still don't succeed, then feel free to unsubscribe from my channel and call it all fake. But give yourself those 3 months. Turn off your phone. Disappear from distractions. Focus only on learning and doing. See you in the next powerful video. Until then, take care, and may God bless your journey.